It's landslide today. We've had a bit of rain. Water's really running down here now. There's a bit of muck still down here in the open turnaround area. The post's all sandbagged. But this is all going straight into the lake down the boat launch. That's what we look like today.